changed my good. I am good, sir. Thank you once again. That's really great. See, positive attitude is very important in life, guys. If no positive attitude, you'll start throwing stones on everyone, but one day one stone will come back and hit very hardly. Okay, that is a basic human mentality. Success, I take the credit. Failure, I throw here, 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 here. There's a basic mindset. Success or failure, you are responsible. If some problems are there in journey, identify them and think about alternate. These are problems. I don't hard work. I don't do any work. I don't do any hard work means not going to work out, right? Super guys. Good, good. Change is inevitable. Okay. Yeah, I want to make my application talking with MySQL database software. The problem is in MySQL no sequence is there, but auto increment is there. What is there? Auto. If you insert values to other column, if you make PK column as auto increment column, value to PK column will come automatically. What is the formula? Previous value plus 1. What is the formula? For that one, I should write query differently. Query differently means I cannot use same DAO. I have to use different DAO or not there. So when different DAO is used, that means I have to go for one more implementation class for DAO interface. And as I'm injecting DAO to service, there is a possibility of getting ambiguity problem or not there. There is a possibility of getting ambiguity problem or not there, guys. So whenever ambiguity problem comes, you have to solve it by using different techniques. Total 3 techniques are there. One is using profile, that the best still not intended. Using factory win. Nowadays we are using that also. And qualifier plus property file plus XML file. That's a one more solution we got it or not there, guys. So let's start making this application working for what? MySQL. One by one we will see. Okay. No sequence support in MySQL, but we have auto increment constraint bringing the similar effect.
Query is different. Since query is different, so I don't have option. I have to take separate.
Query is different, so I don't have option. I have to take separate DAO. Okay. Thing is, in Oracle database, EMP is the ready-made table with the data. We enjoyed it. But in MySQL, do you think EMP is a ready-made table? No. So we need to arrange a table with the data or not there. So shall we focus first on MySQL database data arrangement? Point number 1. Point number 2. In MySQL, okay. In MySQL or Oracle anywhere, we need to create logical database for every project, boss. Logical database is a logical partition of physical database software. What is that? Logical database is what? Logical partition of physical database software. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay, fine. Right. Yesterday, idea student link has changed to Zoom app. From tomorrow, everyone join Zoom app. Where is the link, madam? Sonia, madam, where is the link? Sir, Zoom app. That's fine. Zoom app link. Is it Naresh IT portal or Zoom app link? Link provided by Teams, sir. Okay. Provide everything with detail, so that people will not have any problems, right? Okay. Definitely Zoom is having better service, guys. But initially what happened, we used to work with Zoom only. But somehow Zoom people are afraid of our bandwidth utilization. So generally what happened, 150 plus faculties are there in Naresh IT, right? Different courses. So it's they are getting heavy load. They asked, no, we cannot provide service to Naresh ID because we are using a lot of bandwidth. So you are consuming 10% resources of Hyderabad. Okay, that too you are taking long sessions. Okay, and that too generally what happen? Session starts at 11:10 like that, but our admin will start the session by 11 o'clock only, right? 10 minutes it sits idle, right? And after completion of session also, I generally don't stop. Okay, admin should come and stop. If we forget to stop for 1 hour, half an hour, it is in what? Running mode. So for us, it's no session, but for them, data is consuming, resources are consuming or not there. Okay, they send mail to us. No, these are the problem we have to rectify. No, this is our ecosystem. We cannot change it. Then they said we increase the price to 3 times. Then we say Tata goodbye to Zoom and we shifted to Webex. I think now Zoom people came back, it seems, saying that what? We will offer you service. And that we are facing problems with what? Webex. Okay. So I think team is going back to what? Zoom. Zoom is a nice one and moreover lightweight. Compared to Webex, it's a lightweight. If you have 1 MB network also, you can attend Zoom class. But if you have 1 MB network, attending class in Webex is very complex. And especially the people who are attending classes from remote villages by believing Geo and Reliance Ambani, right? Okay, for them Webex is giving some problems. I agree that.
How I will get the link?
How I
Will
will
be
get the
shared in
link? Will
Google
be shared in
Classroom.
Google Classroom.
Array
Array
Suresh.
Suresh.
Okay.
Okay,
Without giving
without
link, they
giving
don't
link, they
change
don't
the
change,
boss.
na boss.
Maybe they will
Maybe they will
communicate with you
communicate
through
with you
mail
through
or
mail or
somewhere they will
somewhere they will
communicate.
communicate.
Not
Not
only
only
me,
me,
there is
there is
admin
admin
team
team
also
also
monitoring
monitoring
your
your
operations,
operations,
right?
right?
So
So it's
admin
admin
team
team
will
will
take
take
care
care
of
of
those
those
activities,
activities,
boss.
boss.
Don't
Don't
worry.
worry.
Okay.
Okay,
Meanwhile,
meanwhile,
let
let
me
me
show
show
one
one
mail
mail
that
that
made
made
me
me
happy
happy
yesterday.
yesterday.
And
And
when
when
I
I
share
share
that
that
mail,
mail,
one
one
comment
comment
has
has
come.
come.
Okay,
Okay,
boss.
boss.
They
They
don't
don't
communicate.
communicate.
Sonia
Sonia
madam
madam
is
is
offline
offline
for
for
one
1 month.
month. So
So no,
she
she
will
will
communicate
communicate, na
now, boss.
boss.
Yeah,
Yeah,
discussions.
discussion. Okay, I'm just
Sharing.
sharing.
This
This
may
may
motivate
motivate
you
you
people.
people.
This
This
may
may
motivate
motivate
you
you
people.
people.
Okay.
Okay.
My
My
name
name
is
is
Alok
Alok
Ras,
Ras,
and
and
I
I
was
was
a
a
student
student
in
in
your
your
7
7
a.m.
a.m.
batch
batch
2020,
2020
Corona
Corona
Spring
Spring
student,
student,
right?
right?
I
I
also
also
had
had
privilege
privilege
of
of
attending
attending
course
course
Java
Java
from
from
what?
what?
HK
HK
sir.
sir.
HK
HK
sir
sir
means
means
the
the
great
great
Harkrishna
Harkrishna
sir.
sir.
I
I
started
started
my
my
career
career
with
with
a
a
startup
startup
where
where
my
my
initial
initial
salary
salary
was
was
what?
what?
3.6
3.6
LPA.
LPA.
I
I
worked
worked
there
there
as
as
a
a
Java
Java
developer
developer
for
for
3 years,
3 years,
gaining
gaining
practical
practical
experience
experience
and
and
continuously
continuously
improving
improving
my
my
skills.
skills.
Today
Today
I'm
I'm
proud
proud
to
to
share
share
that
that
now
now
I
I
have
have
3
3
plus
plus
of
of
experience
experience
and
and
I
I
hold
hold
5
5
offer
offer
letters
letters
from
from
reputed
reputed
companies
companies
such
such
as
as
Deloitte,
Deloitte,
what
what
is
is
that?
that?
Analytic,
Analytic,
HBS,
HBS,
and
and
Simform.
Simform.
Okay,
Okay,
what
what
is
is
there?
there?
With
With
package
package
of
of
16
16
plus
plus
lakhs
lakhs
LPA.
LPA.
Okay.
Okay.
Whatever I
Whatever I
have
have
achieved
achieved
today
today,
is
it's
because
because
of
of
what?
what?
The
The
strong
strong
foundation
foundation
component
component
I
I
gained
gained
from
from
your
your
teaching,
teaching,
your
your
way
way
of
of
explaining.
explaining.
Where
Where
is
is
why
why
I'm
I'm
here?
here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
The
way
way
of
of
explaining
explaining
concepts
concepts
clarity,
clarity,
such
such
a
a
clarity
clarity
has
has
had
had
a
a
lasting
lasting
impact
impact
on
on
my
my
learning
learning
and
and
growth.
growth.
Thank
Thank
you
you
once
once
again
again
for
for
being
being
such
such
an
an
inspiring
inspiring
mentor.
mentor.
I
I
always
always
be
be
grateful.
grateful.
Okay,
Okay,
this
this
is
is
the
the
one
one
thing,
thing,
guys.
guys.
Okay,
Okay,
this is
this
the
is the
one
one
thing.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Now,
yeah, I
yeah, I
think
think
I
I
started
started
sharing
sharing
some
some
quotes,
quotes,
guys.
guys.
I
I
hope you
hope
are
you are
liking the
liking the
quotes.
quotes.
At
At
least
least
to
to
inspire
inspire
you
you
people
people
every
every
day.
day.
To
To
inspire
inspire
you
you
people
people
every
every
day,
day,
I
I
started
started
sharing
sharing
the
the
quote.
quote.
I think
I
yesterday
think
I
yesterday
shared
I
what?
what?
Learning
Learning
is
is
the
the
continuous
continuous
process.
process.
So
So
don't
don't
stop
stop
your
your
what?
what?
Upgradation.
Upgradation.
Okay, I
I
think
think
today
today
also
also
I
I
shared
shared
something
something
like
like
maybe still
still
not
not
posted,
posted,
it
it
seems.
seems.
But
But
what
what
I
I
liked
liked
here
here
when I
when I
keep
keep
this
this
post,
post,
when
when
I
I
keep
keep
this
this
post,
post,
I
I
got
got
one
one
comment.
comment.
Where
Where
is
is
that
that
comment,
comment,
guys?
guys?
How can I see that? I
I
think
think
below,
below,
na?
na?
Where
Can
can I
I
see
see
that
that
comment?
comment? I think in other place I have, in other place I think I got it. So let's go to regular Facebook, guys. How to go to home page, guys? Where is how to go to home page? How to go to our profile? Yeah, this. All other posts are there. Huh? Yeah, I'll show. When I find, I'll again repost it, guys. Don't worry. When I find, I'll repost it. Yeah, where is this? 915. Yeah, why I have shown that one, you know? If you are not getting opportunity as a fresher, don't discourage. If you have a subject, you can show gap as experience. Market is good for experienced people. You are losing opportunity as a fresher means only small door is closed. Big door is always open. Taking or not taking is up to you. 515. Okay. 915? No. All are wrong. Huh?
रिसेंट का नहीं दिखाया क्योंकि किसी की जॉब में 2-4 महीने पहले 2-4 महीने तक नहीं दिखाया इसने 2-4 महीने पहले किसी की जॉब में दिखाया
Yes, guys. Here is the paint, guys. File open. Yeah, what is the 1103 is our batch code, right? Spring Boot core. I want to make my application working with MySQL. I want to make my application working with MySQL. Insertion is done. Where is session 9, guys? Making project working with MySQL, DB and Oracle, guys. Okay. Now listen. For Oracle we have SQL developer now, which needs separate installation. But when it comes to MySQL, we have MySQL workbench that comes along with MySQL installation. There is no need of installing it separately. There is no necessity of what? Installing it separately. Along with MySQL only you will get it. So MySQL installation is very simple, guys. Download, next, finish. It will ask you to choose admin username, password. Username is by default root. Password also you can choose as a root. During installation it will ask. So in any other Windows software installation, next, finish. And the default port number of MySQL is 3306. Okay. In my system, MySQL is already installed. So that automatically gives me what? This automatically gives me what? MySQL workbench. Okay, I'm launching MySQL workbench here. I'm launching MySQL Workbench here, guys. Yeah, this is connection 1, guys. This is my connection 1. 915 dB. Yeah. Yeah, now listen. Sir, how to create such connection? 1 minute. Let me create connection from scratch level. Okay, here what? MySQL Workbench. This is my MySQL Workbench, guys. That's great. It is having already some connection. How we connected SQL developer to Oracle. Here also you have to create one connection. Delete connection because I want to have fresh connection. Plus symbol. What symbol? Plus symbol to create a new connection. What is the connection name? Connection 1. That's good. 127.0.01.3306. What is the username? Root. What is the password? Root. Okay. Say test connection. Done. Okay. Successfully established connection. Say okay. Connection is ready now, boss? Right. Logical DB is a logical partition of what? Physical database software. 10 projects are using MySQL. 10 logical DBs will be created so that table names will not be clash and other details will not be clash. Project 1 tables, project 1 logical DB. Project 2 tables, project 2 logical DB. Hooray. You feel this building is a physical database software. Come on. You feel this building is a physical database software. Are you getting my point there or not there? In that, each room, can I call it as one logical DB? Can I call each room as one logical DB, guys? So what happened? Every room, one faculty and taking classes. Is it disturbing other faculty classes? Come on, my dear. Okay, whole apartment is physical database software. In that one, each flat is one logical DB or not there. So every family, okay, they can happily reside having privacy in their what? Flat itself. Is it disturbing other flats of the building, guys? No, such a partition is not there, such flats are not there. So things looks like a kachra and fish market are not, guys. Yes or no, na boss? Okay, that's why logical partition is required or not required. Suppose all people are using same common area. Come on, what happened? Tables may clash, procedure names may clash, sequence name may clash, a number of clashes will come, right, boss? So that's why it's better to take separate logical DB for every project or not, my dear. So that's great. Okay, here is what? Plus simple. Okay. Tell me here, where is the, what's the logical DB I want to have? Array, why to take other name, this name? Let's use batch code as a logical database name. In company, project names will be used. In company, project names will be used. I am seeing people yawning at 11 o'clock. What should I tell to them? Is my story is my class looking like in Telugu what is called Jolapata? In Hindi what is called, guys? In Hindi, what it is called? In the childhood, mother will sing for making the small kid to sleep. What is that? Dory. Ah, is my class looking like a Dory song for you? Lori. Lori. Ah, does my classrooms taking looking like class session conducting looking like a Dory for you? Sorry, not Dory, Lori. Okay, whatever it is. Yeah, Lori for you, right? Mahan Purushra Babu. One day, okay, fine, bad night. 2 days, okay, sleepless nights because of job tension. Every day means how does it will work out? Huh? Right. NTSPVMS. Okay, guys. NTSPVMS 717 dB. Sorry, 1103 dB. 1103 dB. Yeah, listen. Okay, listen. Okay, let me tell in a serious note. Some people will have one health issue that is called anemia. What is that? Sleep anemia. How much they sleep at night time, sleep will not be completed. Daytime, if they take sleep for 1 2 hours, then only sleep will be completed. And I request such the people who are handling every day in the classes, please consult the doctor. There is a treatment for that. There is a serious treatment for that. Okay? Sleep anemia. What is that? Anemia. That means sleep will never be completed how much you sleep at night time. Daytime 1 2 hours sleep is required. Okay. Sir, how do you know? In the middle I have gone through that. Because of irregular lifestyle and what? Irregular work hours. Okay? I have gone through that, and after that only I have become disciplined person. I have not taken treatment. Okay, they given asked to change some lifestyle things. Okay, after changing lifestyle, I came out of that. I think you have to change your lifestyle activities. Okay, fine. So let's see. 1103 dB. What is that? 1103 dB. Okay, boss. Right click. Tell me. Create a table. I have to create a table, na? Oracle EMP table is ready-made table, boss. Right? Okay. Oracle ready-made table. Common thing, general knowledge. Yes, boss. Everything glory, learning, kidding, motivating. Array. Come on, Azad. Where were you, Azad, for these many days? Fighting for Azad Kashmir? Okay. Right. Yeah. Table name is what? Yeah, that's good. Office is important. Yeah, any name I can take, but I'm going to take separate DAO class for this, right? Since I decided to take separate DAO class, not compulsory I should take what? Same table, same column. You can take different table and different columns also, but make sure that data types and count is matching because we have already written JDBC code by keeping what? Certain columns count and data types in mind, right? One data I'll take table name as what? Employee. Okay, columns guys, EID. What is there? EID. PK, primary key column, unique key column, auto increment. A means not artificial intelligence. A means what? No, nowadays, even though artificial intelligence is not there, everyone is saying AI. AI based, AI based. Okay. So recently I have seen one advertisement. Some people saying we do AA based counseling. When you come to us for counseling, we give AA based counseling. People are using word AA just like that. Okay. Right, boss. Tell me next one. Here AA means auto increment, not the artificial intelligence. Yeah, I'll take the column name as what? E name. Varchar 245. Next. Can you share your lifestyle to stay disciplined? Okay, I'll talk, but today too much personal things. Okay, let's concentrate on subject. In coming days, I'll share. Okay, where is that? Designation. Next one, salary. Salary. Array, designation 45, that's okay. 45 is bit lengthy one. I think float data type is there. Float is there, double is there. Your choice. I think I have taken double or float are there. In JDBC code. Ah, float. Okay. Array 45 is no one contains 45 letters in the name, guys. Can we make it 30? No, there is no wrong of taking 45 also 30. Say apply. Yeah, table is generated. Yeah, someone came to me yesterday. Sir, why are you using SQL developer? Reason is we are Java developer, not so perfect in SQL queries. But I want to do database operation. So operating mouse buttons is easier, writing queries is easier. See, I don't know queries, data types of MySQL, constraint in MySQL, but still I'm able to create the table through mouse operation. I'm able to do everything or not there, guys. Super, guys. Say apply, save, finish. Say apply, save, finish. Are you getting my point there, guys? Auto increment starts with 1. Auto increment starts with 1. Okay, now we have a select operation also. Along with insert operation, select operation. For the name's sake, can I keep 2, 3 records ready, guys? Okay, in that process, I can show the power of auto increment, guys. Okay, I filled up Raja. Designation what? Clerk. Salary what? 90,000. That's good. Apply, apply, finish. 1. Next one, what is there? Ramesh. What is there? Manager. What is here, guys? 8,000. Click on apply, apply, finish. Am I entering employee number manually? No, it is automatically generated or not, guys. That is the meaning of auto increment. Okay, now I will give one task. Okay, I manually entered 5. Okay, I manually entered 6. Sorry, you are always giving boys' names, no girls' names. Okay, I think most popular name in Telugu states Padma. In every home, one Padmavati will be there, guys. And in every home, one Srinivas will be there, one Padmavati will be there. Because these are popular. Your mom, okay. These are popular gods in Telugu states. Right, guys. Tell me, manager, clerk, salesman or woman, whatever it is. Okay, some number. Okay. Apply. Okay. Subbalakshmi, Subbalakshmi is not popular name. Lakshmi is popular name. Okay. Yeah, tell me. E-name. Sirisha. Okay. Clerk. Some other number. Super. Now tell me. When I execute it, I will get 7. I will get 3. I will get 7. I will get 3. Previous value plus 1. Not. Okay. Not max value plus 1. Okay. Check it out, guys. Apply. What is there? Okay. Apply. Save. Finish. How much you got? 7. It looks like max, but previous value is that. Okay. Now listen. I wantedly deleted 7, guys. I wantedly deleted 7. Okay, guys. Tell me. Xavier. Xavier. What is there? Clark. Okay. How much you will get? 8 7 8 7 Previous value plus 1. Previous value is 7. That's why it is going to give what? 8. Definitely 8, Babu. It is not max val plus 1. It is previous value plus 1. Previous value plus 1. If I don't show this use case, you might have thought max value plus 1. But this use case says what? It is not previous value plus 1. It is what? Max val plus 1. Okay, we have a table, guys. Right? Okay, that's good. You can also write the queries. But after coming to SQL developer, MySQL workbench, if you are writing queries, why are you coming to GUI tool? Stay with the SQL prompt, na? In controversial situation, you can write it, boss. Okay, here provision is there. You can write the query here. You can write the query here. You can modify this query and you can write the query. And you press this button for execution of the query. For example, where designation is equal to clerk. Select this, enter this. Only clerk details are coming or not there. Provision is there, but no one will do. Not required to do. Okay. This is a great concept, guys. Close all editors. That's good. Table is ready. Now listen. I have to make my application talking to MySQL database. For that one, I need to add MySQL DB table related, MySQL related. JDBC driver details are not there. But before adding JDBC driver details in application.properties as inputs of auto configuration, we must add jar files to the project or not, guys. We must and should add jar file to the project or not, guys. Okay, guys. Where is this? Mini project. Listen. In the middle of the project, if you want to add a new starter, okay. Team, what is not team, guys? Spring, new, add starter. Add starter. You can select the starter. Add starter and you can select the starter. Select the starter. Mr. Laptop Wala, you are earning a lot. You only laptop wala. Very smart. How many laptop walas are there in the classroom? Only you, right? Why are you looking back? Yeah, MySQL driver. What driver? MySQL driver. Selecting pom.xml. How I added Oracle driver, here I am adding MySQL driver to talk with MySQL database. That's a one change. Okay, 1 minute, guys. I don't want to disturb this code, guys. Can I take the copy of it? Copy, paste. Sir, what are you doing? Control C, Control E, Babu, nothing great. Real time DI. What is this? Oracle MySQL. I want to make this application talking to both Oracle and MySQL at a time. According to my choice, I want to change. Okay, na? Right. That's good. Today we are using my trick of having separate application. Ravina madam. Oh, okay. Fine. Innocent girl. Fine, guys. Okay. That's good. First, let me change the madam. Let me change the class name, guys. Okay. What is the class name? Main class name. I think second one we are using it as a main one. Let's delete the first class name, first main class name. Second one we have introduced everything, guys. Okay. Yeah, sixth. What is there? Sixth. DIAPP. Still 5 only. 6. Say next, boss. Say finish. Say next, boss. Say finish. That's great. Let me change the class name inside this place also. 06. Where is the problem, guys? Boot IOC pros 6 real time DI. I capital A. Okay. Yeah, that is done, guys. Tell me. Application dot properties. Still booting up, guys. Yeah, already JDBC driver details for Oracle is there. Ikari data source object is created that is pointing to Oracle database connection pool. Okay, today also Ikari data source object created, but I want to see it's pointing to what? MySQL database software. What's that software? MySQL database software. So here is the story, guys. Yes, my dear. Copy this, paste. JDBC driver details. I want to place it for what database, guys? MySQL database. I want to place them for which database? MySQL database. Tell me here, what is that? Com dot, what dot, guys? Com dot MySQL dot JDBC dot driver. What's the username? Root. What is the password? Root. What is the URL? JDBC colon. What is there? MySQL colon. MySQL colon. Right, boss. NT. If database and application both are there in same system, instead of writing host name and port number, you can write 3 slashes, right? NTSPBMS. In Oracle XC is the logical database. Here, I created with some name, right? That one. NTSPBMS. What is there? 1103 DB. 1103 DB. That's good. NTSPBMS 1103 DB. Fine. But the problem is, insert query is not same and select query also not same because I changed column names and table names. So I have to take separate DAO, implementing same old interfaces, guys. Okay, let's make existing DAO as Oracle employee DAO. What is there? Existing DAO class specific to Oracle, guys. Let's make existing DAO class as what? Specific to Oracle. Yeah, tell me next one. Oracle DAO file save as MySQL employee DAO MySQL employee DAO. That's good. Get employee by designation. What is the table, guys? I think EID I have taken. E-name, right? Designation is the column. Salary completely is the column. I hope you remember table. What is the complete table name, guys? Employee. Job in a designation in a. Designation in. Order by job or order by designation. Okay, that's great. Now tell me next one. Insert query. Employee. What is there? Employee. Yeah, what's the beauty? You insert into remaining columns. Automatically auto increment value will come or not, guys. So that's why I remove these three. When there are 4 columns, if you want to insert to 3 columns, you have to mention those column names now, my dear. Yes, I am mentioning those column names. Designation. What is there? Designation. What is there, guys? Salary. Okay. Here, how many question marks I am passing, guys? 3 questions. How many question marks I am passing here, guys? 3 questions. Okay, that's great. Perfect. Nice. That's great, perfect, and nice, guys. MySQL DAO IMPL. Yeah. Get employees by designation. Then, but 4 columns are there, nothing to worry. In the insertion also 3 columns are there, we are setting values. Remaining code is matching. Only queries are changing. Anyhow, I have taken separate DAO class. But the question is, okay, bean IDs having issue. So for this repository, can I say MySQL DAO, guys? Okay, nice. For another DAO class, can I take Vara DAO or Arkil DAO, boss? What is there? Arkil DAO or Ara DAO? Vara DAO or what? Arkil DAO. Super, guys. Now I'm injecting DAO to service. But how many DAOs are there? 2 DAO. If I run this application as it is, guys, am I going to get ambiguity problem? Okay, to solve this ambiguity problem, what should I do? Go to service class. Go to service class. Here, what is there? @auto void. What is there? Sorry, @qualifier. @qualifier. What is there? MySQL DAO. What DAO, guys? MySQL DAO. What DAO, my dear? MySQL DAO. Comfortable, my dear? Come on. Okay, that's great. What DAO, guys? MySQL DAO. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Tell me here, where is that? Mini project DAO, Arkil DAO, MySQL. So let's run the application. Okay, run on. What is that? Run as Java application. Enter designation 1 clerk. What is there, guys? Manager. What is next one? Salesman. What is there? Salesman. It is talking, guys. Data source object is created. Oh, it's giving error. What's the error? Unknown database NTSPBMS 1103. NTSPBMS 1103 DB. SPBMS. Spell mistake. SPBMS. Okay, what I have written? Where in property file spell mistake? NTSPBMS. One letter here and there. Our logical database name is not case sensitive. Right click, run as Java application. What is designation 1? Clerk. What is designation 2? salesman. What is there? Manager. Enter key. How many details have come, guys? 4 details. That means it is talking to MySQL and getting records from MySQL. That's good. Enter name. What is there? Sunita. Designation. Clerk. Salary. 70. 70. Okay, some number. Okay. Employee inserted. Let me check whether record is inserted or not. Okay, sir, why you are giving only 2 record? Because above query is filtering above. Okay. You select all the records. Now we are able to see 9th record extra, boss. Are you able to see 9th record extra here? Are you able to observe that? Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone.
This is what we need to focus on, what the whole process.
This is what we
Convince you guys.
we need to focus on what the whole process.
That's great.
Convince you guys. Okay, that's great. Come on, everyone. Okay. So this is what we need to focus on what the whole process. Convince you guys. Okay, that's great.
Problem is, whenever I want to change to
Oracle to MySQL, MySQL to Oracle, I'm touching the source code into qualifier annotation.
That means I am
That
not
means I am not achieving the
coupling.
loose coupling.
I'm achieving
the tight coupling.
So
So
to
avoid this one, what should I do?
I need to go for
total 3 solutions are there. So, but I have introduced only 2 solutions. Can I show those both the solution to you people? Before that, let me show what is there in my document for your reference, guys. It's a MySQL. We are establishing connection. Diagram says what? Logical DB is a logical partition of physical database software. In Oracle, database image is there. Logical DB1 for pros 1, logical DB2 for pros 2, logical DB3 for what? Pros 3. For every project we are taking separate logical database or not there. Okay. In Oracle, logical DB is identified with its what? With its what? SID, service ID. In MySQL, every logical database is identified with its what? Logical database name, like our NTSP BMS 1103 kind of thing. Then I created a logical DB, guys. That's good. All constraints are added. Explanation is given about those constraints. Okay. Take mini project, copy in Eclipse IDE. Ask it to add MySQL driver as starter, guys. And we are adding MySQL JDBC driver details. Come on. And separate DAO class is developed for here. And the tables, queries, everything is written according to what? MySQL. Come on, boss. Later, yeah, to solve the ambiguity problem, we are keeping what? Qualifier annotation are not there. And we are running the application. Later, few points are there about GUI DB tools. GUI DB tool. Are in Oracle SQL developer, MySQL workbench. And lastly, in PostgreSQL PG-admin 4. What is that? PG-admin 4. In PostgreSQL, that is what? PG-admin 4. Is that clear, guys? Super. Tell me. How to make above mini project as 100% loosely coupled project. What is that? 100% loosely coupled project. Answer 1. Using old one, guys. Answer 1. Okay. Answer 1. In application dot. What is answer 1? Application dot property file plus SpringBoot configuration file plus alias tag. Alias tag. These are the things you have to use or not, guys. Alias tag plus qualifier annotation. Yes. What is there? @ qualifier annotation. What annotation, guys? @ qualifier annotation. Simply we need to use what, guys? @qualifier annotation. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay, that's great. That is answer number 1. Answer number 2. Using the support of what, guys? Using the support of factory bean. Answer number 3. Using profiles. What, guys? Using profile. Right. Okay. Answer 1 implementation. What is the one I am doing here, guys? Answer 1 implementation. That's great.
Answer 1 implementation.
Answer 1 implementation, guys. Okay. Yes, I'm looking for loose coupling. Okay, na? Shall we implement solution 1, guys? Okay. Loose coupling also I am adding. Multiple times we implemented this loose coupling through XML file, right? What's the first thing I am doing, guys? Go to this place. I hope you remember the solution. Application.properties. Not this. Here. Application.properties, right? In this application.properties. Tell me. Okay. Choose DAO. What, guys? Choose DAO. Yeah, choose.dao. Choose.dao is equal to. Tell me. I am choosing Oracle DAO. DAO capital or small, guys? In Oracle DAO class, what's the one I have taken? Uppercase or lowercase? MySQL DAO, that's good. Oracle DAO. What is there, guys? Oracle DAO. That's the one thing. Now, I have to introduce configuration file now, my dear. We have done already this work, right? But generally we prefer taking separate package for configuration. Yeah, where is this? New, other. What is there, guys? XML file. What file, guys?
XML file. That's good. Say next.
XML file. That's good. XML file.
What is
That's
there?
good.
Application context.
Application context.xml.
Say next.
Say next. Say next. Say finish. Say next. But we have to import the namespace, guys. Yeah, for that one we have to take the support of ChatGPT. Okay, now what is the query I should write? What is the query I should write? Here is my ChatGPT. Here is my what? ChatGPT. Yeah, what is there? Sample Spring Bean configuration file. Sample Spring Bean configuration file. Okay. Sample Spring Bean configuration file, guys. Sample Spring Bean configuration file. What is there, guys? Sample Spring Bean configuration file, guys. Some error will be there, don't worry. Tell me what is there. Provide. What is there? Alias name for the bean ID that is collected from the properties file. Yeah, what is the tag I am using? Alias. Alias. What is there? Name. But am I hard coding bean ID? No. Choose.dao. What dot DAO? Choose.dao. What is the alias name I am asking to pass? Okay, I am just passing DAO as the fixed alias name. Come on, guys. I'm just passing DAO as what? Fixed alias name. What alias name? Fixed. The fixed alias name. That's good. Okay. Followed by that, we have to link this XML file with the configuration class. Array, 2 times already we implemented. This is the 3rd time I am implementing. Don't expect again minute details should be given, right? When you develop the XML, this XML file should be linked with the configuration class or not there. For that one, what is the annotation I should use? What is the annotation I should use? Import resource. @import resource. @import resource. Tell me. com/nt/cfc/ what is there? Application context.xml. com/nt/cfc/what.xml. Application context.xml. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Simply I need to say with what name, guys? Okay. Or application context.xml, and that has to be linked with the configuration class or not there. But whatever fixed alias name you got, that I have to mention in service class or not, my dear? Okay. Application context dot array. This is not kept in correct package. Not kept in correct package. Let me put in package first. Package com.nt.cfc. Okay, let it be the error. Don't worry. Yeah, now go to service class, my dear. In the service class, right now I'm hard coding what? Bean ID. Instead of hard coding, what I'm going to do? I'm just going to put a DAO here. Yeah, what is the flow? Property file to XML file. What has come? From property file, what has come? Oracle DAO has come to XML file. For Oracle DAO, what is the fixed alias name? DAO. For Oracle DAO, what is the fixed alias name, guys? What is the fixed alias name, guys? Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Super, that's great. Okay. But this DAO I am using in qualifier or not there. So indirectly I am passing Oracle DAO to qualifier or not there. So that means though ambiguity problem come, it will identify DAO based on the Oracle DAO that is indirectly passed or not there. That means ambiguity problem got solved or not solved, guys. Close all editors. That's great. Okay, now I'm talking to Oracle. Let's see whether this application is running for Oracle or not. Run as Java application. Tell me what is there? What is there? Manager. What is there? Salesman. What is there, guys? Salesman. I'll tell the reason. I changed it to Oracle, but I still activated JDBC driver for MySQL only. So total 2 changes I have to do in property file. Comment them. Control slash. One control slash for comment, control slash for removal of comment. Not control plus shift plus slash. Control slash for on and off. Here also I have to remove the comments, guys. Control slash. Am I right? So now what is there? Oracle drivers are inactive. Chosen DAO is what? Oracle DAO. Right click. Tell me, guys, what is there? Run as Java application. Run as Java application. What is there? Clerk. Manager. Salesman. Salesman. All right. What is the name? Karan. Designation clerk. Salary is 89,000. Employee record is inserted or not there. Now it's working for Oracle. Anyhow, it's correct only. So many records means Oracle only it is working. In MySQL, we have hardly 4 or 5 records, right? Okay, I want to move to what? MySQL, guys. What should I do? Comment this section. What this section? Comment this section. Enable this section. Okay, what is the assignment you are giving, sir? Make this application also working for PostgreSQL. You know, one more database is PostgreSQL is there. You have to do every R&D. jar file you have to find out and add. Come on. JDBC properties you have to find out and add. But make sure that your application is also able to talk with what? PostgreSQL. This is the task I am giving. Okay. Choose DAO. Here what is there? MySQL DAO. Choose DAO. What is the one I am taking, guys? MySQL DAO. Right now, boss? Right, guys. Right click. Run as. What is there? Java application. Clerk. What is next? What is there? Manage. Designation. Salesman. Now records are coming from MySQL. Okay. What is there? Location. Designation. Salary. Record is inserted. Output is coming there or not there, guys? Here output is coming or not coming, guys? Like this, we made our code as 100% loosely coupled code. We are changing from one database to another database. Okay, but total how many solutions are there to solve ambiguity problem? 3. What is the best one? Profiles. Did I introduce profile set, boss? No. Okay, first solution is bad solution or not, guys? Why bad? Because XML is involved. So can I give solution to by using factory bean, guys? This also we studied for other project. Now I am taking for real project, right? Come on, come on. We are going good. Copy this, paste it. Mini project, Oracle MySQL, loose coupling 2. What's the project number I want to take? Pros number 7. What number 7, guys? Pros number 7. What number 7, guys? Pros number 7. Project number 7, guys. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay, that's great. Controller, Employee Operations Controller, DAO. I employee DAO. Tell me. MySQL EMP DAO, Oracle Employee DAO, IMP. That's great, but now I want to give solution by developing factory bean, right? Okay, when I'm dealing with factory bean, is there any need of XML stuff? Not. Is there any need of XML stuff? No. 07. When XML is not there, is there any need of writing import resource? Come on, guys. Is there any necessity of writing import resource? Not required. That's good. There is no need of writing import resource. But I need to develop one factory bean here now, boss. So can I take separate package like factory? Package com.nt.factory. com.nt.factory. Right click, guys, new class. Right click, guys, new class. Right, boss. DAO factory. What factory? It's a factory giving one another DAO class object now, boss. What is the interface you should implement, guys? Factory bean. What is the type, guys? I employee DAO. This factory bean is going to return one or other bean class object or not there. Control plus shift plus 1. Yeah, what are the methods I should implement? 2 methods compulsory. Okay, one more method is singleton is up to you. How to make this one as a Spring Bean? @component. @component. How to get the required bean ID? From property file I can get it or not there? Okay, private string. DAO ID. @value. What is there? Dollar for bracket open and closing. Dollar for bracket opening and what? Closing. Yeah, tell me, what is the one we have to place there, guys? Okay, choose dot DAO. What dot DAO? Choose dot DAO. It is not Lombok value, it is a Spring value. It is not Lombok value, it is what? Spring value. Are you getting my point there, guys? Lombok also annotation is there. Yeah, choose dot DAO, right? Yeah, followed by that, what is there, guys? Followed by that, what is there, guys? I want reply. Followed by that, what is there, guys? This one. If, tell me. DAO dot equals ignore case. DAO dot equals ignore case. What is that? DAO dot equals ignore case. Equals ignore case. MySQL DAO. MySQL DAO. Then return what? Return new. What is there? What is there, guys? Return new. Tell me. We have to create object manually. Okay. Return new. Acha, if I create object manually, it will not inject with the data source, right? Okay. Then what I do? Let it be Spring Bean, guys. Let it be Spring Bean. I will try to get that object and inject return over here. I'll make it through pre-instantiation only, because if I create object, it is empty object. But I want object with what? Data source. Fine. Are you noticing it, guys? That's why what I do is, it is also Spring Bean, na? What I do here. Oh, yeah, super. Yeah, tell me. MySQL employee. MySQL employee DAO. MySQL employee DAO IMPL. MySQL DAO. Here I am simply saying @auto void na boss. Okay, that's good. Same thing I have to do for Oracle also. Oracle employee DAO. What is there? Oracle employee DAO. What is there, guys? Oracle DAO. What DAO, guys? Oracle DAO. Super. So here, since already objects are there, I can happily return those objects now, boss. Okay. MySQL DAO. Else if DAO ID dot equals ignore case. Tell me. Are you understanding the logic here? If I create object, I can create object for DAO, but I have to inject DAO data source also, right? So already object is there because of pre-instantiation. I am injecting them to factory based on the condition satisfaction. Either I am returning MySQL DAO object or what? Oracle DAO object. I think you are understanding my thought process here. Okay. Return. What is this? Oracle DAO. Else. Throw new. Illegal. What, guys? Illegal argument exception. Invalid DAO. What DAO, guys? Invalid. And we are saying it is returning iEmployee DAO dot class. Are you getting my point there, guys? Arey, Oracle, wrong pronunciation, it is Oracle only. I'm always thinking Oracle pronunciation, but it is Oracle. You are calling Oracle, but pronunciation is Oracle only. It's Oracle. It's not Oracle. It's Oracle, right? Okay. Arey, English is a dirty language. You call whatever you want. That's not a problem. Yeah, one more default method is to implement is singleton. Here what is there? Return true. Yes, guys. Okay, today I'm not creating object. I'm using the object that is already created through pre-instantiation process. What process? Okay, guys. Now that is already created through what? Pre-instantiation process. What process, guys? I think I'm going to get problem, guys, because through pre-instantiation both objects are created. Both objects are ready for injection or not, guys? Wait a minute. Okay, we'll see. Employee management service. I don't want to use qualifier. I don't want to use qualifier. Okay, I don't want to use qualifier. Now let's see what else we can do over there. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I think we get a problem. We get an error, guys. Let's see the error, boss. Run as a Java application. Problem is, on both DAOs repository is there, both are instantiated. Now both are ready for injection. So again you will get ambiguity problem or not there. Clerk manager X. Clerk manager X. No qualifying dean of type employee DAO. Expected single matching but found 3. Why 3? One is given by factory and originally 2 are there. One is given by factory, originally 2 are there. Problem or not this? So what I do is 1 minute. What I do is go to DAOs. What is there? Go to DAOs. Stop keeping this what? Repository annotation. First repository gone. Oracle employee DAO. Stop keeping another comment, guys. First one gone, second one gone. First one gone, second one gone. But problem is, if I create object, data source will not be injected, right? But I'll do something to get the data source object also. What I do is, here I don't keep anything. I don't keep anything here. I'm changing logic a little bit, guys. I inject, but I don't inject like this. I'll try to assign manually. Yeah. But I'll just keep one parameterized constructor. What constructor? Okay, one parameterized constructor. What is there? Public, listen, Oracle DAO IMPL. That's good. Data source DS. This dot data source is equal to DS. Okay, here I will take private data source. No auto wiring, nothing was. Private data source DS. @auto. Okay. Yeah, this dot DS is equal to DS. Data SOURC. This dot DS is equal to DS. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super. This dot DS is equal to DS. No auto wide. I have my plan. Please wait. Please wait until my plan is revealed totally. This is Oracle story. Here. Okay. Tell me here. Done. Data source DS. What's this? DS. Here, this dot. What dot, guys? This dot DS is equal to this. I'm just taking parameterized construct. Super, guys. Now you come to factory, guys. You come to factory. Wait a minute. Here, I don't inject them here, but I'll inject data source here. Yeah. Give me 2 minutes, you will get clarity. @auto. Control plus shift plus O. Here is my what? New MySQL DAO DS. Here is my what? New Oracle DAO DS. Oracle DAO DS. Are you getting my point there, guys? Written new MySQL employee DAO DS. Oracle employee DAO DS. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys. Tell me here, what is the story we have to follow? Right click. Okay. Run on Java application. See, I am creating DAO class object assigning DS. But DS I injected to factory bean are not there. Clerk, manager. What is this? Salesman. Hikari data source. From MySQL records are coming. Come on. Raja, designation clerk, salary some other number. Record inserted, guys. Now it is pointing to what database? Oracle day. Sorry, MySQL. Now you go to property file. Now you go to what? Property file. Yeah, here I am taking what? Oracle DAO. What DAO? Oracle DAO. Save this. Right click, guys. Run on Java application. What is the designation 1? Clerk. Designation 2? Manager. Designation 3? Salesman. Array something that. Salesman. Yeah, maybe I changed only DAO. Along with that, what should I change? Driver details also, na boss. I have to change driver details also parallelly. Yeah, that is one poor part we forgot. Yeah, right click, guys. Tell me. Run as Java application. What's the designation 1, guys? Clerk. Manager. Okay, some X. Having these details from Oracle database, records are coming or not? Oracle means so many records should come, right? So many records are coming. That means this is from Oracle only. And moreover, Oracle employee operation data source object Hikari data source. These many records means Oracle only, na boss? Okay, Ramesh, designation clerk, salary 90,000. Here record is inserted or not inserted? Definitely record is inserted or not inserted, guys? Definitely record is inserted. This is solution 2 now, my dear. Okay, factory bean based solution. What solution, guys? Okay, factory bean based solution. Let me give at the end of this. Solving the, what is this? Ambiguity problem. What problem? Of DAO classes. I hope you understood second solution also. See, why I have changed my logic. Earlier, for the dependent, what you are creating and returning from factory bean, no other dependent. That's why I created object and returned it. But today, data source object is there or not there as a dependent. So that's why I injected data source to factory bean. I used that one as a dependent, and I have created what DAO class object. Solving the ambiguity problem of DAO classes with respect to mini project. What project? Mini project using factory bean concept. What concept, guys? Simply using what concept, guys? Factory beans concept. Literally, solidly using which concept, guys? Factory bean concept. Okay, that's great. Yeah, fine. Okay, let's see what we can do over there. Yeah, in this example, yeah, I'll give point by point, guys. Step 1, remove repository annotations from both DAO classes. Removed or not removed, guys? Step number 2, place parameterized constructor in both DAO classes, taking data source as the parameter. Taking data source as the parameter. Data source as the parameter. In MySQL DAO this is there. Tell me, guys, in Oracle DAO we have to place this. Java, you have to place this. If you place also not a issue, but that's good. This is done, guys. Step number 3. Remove qualifier annotation. What, guys? Remove qualifier annotation from the service class. From which class, guys? Service class. Step number 4. Step number 4. Place required DAO class bean ID in the application.properties file. What is there? choose.dao. What is that? MySQL DA. Step number 5. Okay. Develop the factory bean class as shown below. Factory bean class as shown below. Develop the factory bean class as shown below. This is my DAO factory.java, guys. Copy this, boss.